Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video, I'll show you how to fix TikTok maximum number of attempts reached to try again later. So guys, when you try to log in your TikTok in your iPhone or in your Android device and you will see this type of error again and again, I'll help you how can you fix this problem and how can you log in your TikTok account without this error. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, open your settings. Make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection, and after this go back, scroll it down, click on general, and from here open your VPN. If you have connected any VPN, you need to disconnect your VPN, and now you need to go back, click on transfer or reset iPhone, click on reset, and you need to reset your network settings. And after this go back and set your date and time on automatically. And guys, now you have to go back on your home screen. From here you need to open your app store in your iPhone, and if you're using Android phone then you need to open Play Store in your phone, and here you need to search TikTok. So guys, after searching your TikTok, you need to open your TikTok app here and you need to check for update. If your app is not updated, you need to update your app first, and after doing update then you need to log in your account again, and after this your problem will be fixed. And guys, after doing this, if still not fix your problem and still can't log in your account, then you need to open your settings, click on general, click on iPhone storage, and after this scroll it down, and from here you need to open your TikTok and you need to offload your app, and after doing offload you need to reinstall again. And guys, after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, after doing all these method, if still not fix your problem and still can't log in your account, then you need to open your TikTok app, and guys, click on main profile and click on three lines and click on settings and privacy and scroll it below, click on report a problem. And guys, after this click on account and profile and click on login. And guys, after this you will see multiple options here, but you need to click on others and click on need more help. And guys, here you need to contact with your TikTok support team and you have to tell your problem, and they will review your problem and they will fix your problem. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.